little brew beforehand. Can't go wrong. Beautiful, beautiful. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this channel. Wherever you are, whatever time of day it is, morning, evening, thank you very much for watching this video. It means a lot. Whether you've watched the first one I put out or this is the first one you're watching, really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. It's something new that I'm trying to kind of get into. YouTube life is different. Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit of time to get used to, but I'm enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. So let's get stuck into the video. I actually realised I haven't done an introduction to the channel. What's an introduction, eh? My name's Tom. I'm a freelance photographer and videographer, kind of based in Bath, but commute a lot to London and surrounding areas. I think possibly this video might be like a little good thing just to kind of chuck that in there. I kind of understand what the channel's going to be about more than anything. There's a lot of good photography YouTubers out there and videography YouTubers out there, so I think this channel's not going to be completely about the kind of gear side of it. There'll be a little bit of that when it comes to like what I'm shooting with on the day, like film stocks, camera types, different formats. But more than anything, it's just going to be purely bringing you guys along on a little bit of a creative journey when I've got like studio shoots coming up, or I've got cool little street diaries thing happening. Let's get on to the video because I'm definitely boring you. Okay, the title's a little bit clickbaity, more than anything, but today I am shooting with the Microcord TLR. Like, what a steal. So I'm very excited to kind of shoot with this. I paid £10 for it, and I was fully thinking once I bought it that this thing ain't gonna work. Like, and I thought even 10 quid, that's fine. Like, even if that was just gonna be sat on the mantelpiece as like it's a little thing that looks quite cool, or a book stopper. I don't know. But I did think it was gonna be broken. But when I got it sent to me and I realised that everything mechanically was working, I was like, oh my god, it's gonna be amazing. So I had to put a roll into it as soon as I could. So yeah, very excited. Steal of the century, £10. A little bit about today. So as well as shooting this new camera, I'm going to be shooting some really interesting film stocks. So one film that I am going to be shooting a lot of in the coming months, just because this thing's a beast, man. This thing is a beast. Is the Cinestill 800T. I bought 2 rolls of this. My god, it is expensive. The incredibly rare Cinestill 800T. This thing costs a bloody bomb. So yeah, I think this cost me about 15 quid. It's about £15 per roll. So, well, do the maths. You get, well, on here I'm gonna get 12 shots. So £1 something. £1 something per shot. Not the cheapest thing in the world. So yeah, with the 800T, it's obviously a tungsten balanced film. It is, from what I know, it's stripped from an old Kodak motion picture film, but it's been cut so that people like you and I can obviously shoot this in 120 format. Let's just go over the other camera that I'm shooting with. So the Mamiya 645. I am going to be doing kind of more like a review on this, and you guys can kind of see more of the shots that I've been shooting with this camera. I'll drop some now on the screen just so you guys can have a little look of what the kind of look you can get. The ones that we're getting on the screen now are shot on Portra 400 and Portra 400 Tri-X, which is a black and white film. Shot a lot of that with my good buddy and musician from London called Ben Live. Guys, check him out. I'll put his Instagram here now. He's rocking it. He's absolutely rocking it. His songs are sweet, and I'm very excited to see where this guy goes. And I've got a lot of things that I'm gonna be posting about him, and kind of our creative journey together. I think we're planning on doing a studio shoot soon, which is gonna be really, really cool. It's something different. It's something really different, which I'm excited for. Yeah, really, really excited for. So yeah, Mamiya 645. It is, hence the name. It is a 6x4.5 size negative compared to the Microcord, which is obviously a 6x6. So the Microcord is a larger negative, basically. So yeah, I'll do more on that in the coming weeks, next month or two maybe. So yeah, let's get into the video. I hope you enjoy it. So I'm shooting with a really good friend of mine, very talented friend of mine called Emily Gannerton. She is a fashion designer from Bath. She's wicked. I'll put her Instagram here now. Guys, she is definitely going places in the world. I'll put all of her socials in the description below, so you guys can kind of go follow her and see if you like what you see. But yeah, she's very kindly said yes to helping me shoot this new camera. I think we've got some stuff coming in the future which I'll leave for a different time. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a comment, like, do whatever you can to help this channel. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, let me know what you think. Even if you want to, message me directly on Instagram. Just kind of want to hear what you guys think of how the kind of direction I'm going with the channel. Whether you enjoyed it, whether you want to see more, whether you didn't like it. It's cool, no biggie. No, so yeah, guys, enjoy. Thank you very much for even watching this far. I really appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Peace.